Hey, welcome. English is crucial for your desired life. Why I'm saying desired life? For example, if you have any desired life and you want to live your life in that particular way, then English is really important. Suppose you are in good post, good place, right? Everyone respects you, but you when they all are in group, they are speaking English, but you don't know how to speak English. Will you feel good at the time? No, not at all. Then why you are preventing yourself to learn English? English is not as difficult as we think, right? So it is not as difficult as it's a piece of cake. We just need to make it. We just need to take it in our practice. If you will take it in your practice, it is quite easy, right? And if even sometimes I feel like we are not completely fluent in Hindi. Sometimes it happens that I face any particular Hindi word and I don't know what does it mean. So does it happen? But and the same thing when an English word come in front of me, I suddenly know what does it mean. So even we are not completely fluent in Hindi language, then why we are expecting ourselves to make proficient in English language? uh, it is our second language, it is not our regional language, it is not our native language. Then how we can expect ourselves? Why we are making pressure toward ourselves that we have to learn everything regarding English? Why English is needed for us to explain ourselves. Whatever the thought in your inner side, if you are able to articulate it in front of person and the person is getting you that what you are saying, what does it mean, then that's it. We just need to speak it out. Whatever the thought in our inner side, we just need to be grammatical perfect. And if you will run behind that, I have to be firstly I'll be a grammatical perfect, then I'll speak English, then the day will never come in your life. The day will come in your life when you will do it regular practice, right? So practice is the way how you will learn. Practice is the way how you will find out your mistake, where I'm making mistake and which type of mistake I'm doing. And through practice, through regular practice, you would know that which type of mistake and you're doing and how you prevent yourself, right? Because we all familiar with that language, we all familiar English language. Since childhood we have been learning, we have been knowing this language. We don't feel comfortable only while speaking English, because we take it as a subject. We never have taken it as a speaking, right? As a communication language. And if you want to enhance your communication skills, don't think about years regarding grammar. So grammar will enhance through over time when you will practice it over time. Then so English is really important. We don't to prevent ourselves to speak English, and through practicing you can enhance it. Whatever you know, whatever you're doing, whatever you do throughout the day, and stand out in front of mirror and speak it out, whatever you have done. And sometimes you feel weird at how I can talk to myself. I'm not feeling comfortable with in front of camera, in front of mirror. That's how I can talk to myself. You have to do that if you want to learn English, if you want to speak English. And I don't say that you have to learn English. You have to speak it out, just. And you can speak English effectively through practice. So, and when you feel comfortable that now I can explain, articulate my thought, then you can have conversation with your friend. And don't afraid that what will people think if I'll do a mistake. What will happen? Nothing will happen. If people are making fun of your English, make them fun. Don't worry. What will happen? Nothing will happen. So don't afraid. And the person who actually know English, they will never make fun of your English, because then they know that mistakes are completely natural. Because overall it's our second language, it is not our first language. So allow yourself to make mistake and learn this language. This is really beautiful language. And when you speak English, you feel really comfortable among the people. When you will be in crowd area, when you will be in society, and when you will speak English, you feel really comfortable, you feel really confident, right? So it is really needed. Even if you're preparing for any government exam, so you can't prevent yourself to speak English, because in government sectors as well you need to know how to speak English. At least communication skills, as a communication skill you should know. And grammar rules we obviously know, because if you're preparing for government exam, then you know all the grammar rules, but you don't know how to take it, how to bring it in action. And in action you can use it effectively when you will do regular practice. So find your friend, and if you're not finding any friend around you, then you can do friendship with yourself. You can talk to yourself in front of mirror. happy learning journey, happy English learning journey. Thank you so much.